Ghana entertainment industry. Eya. Me no ka say so borra Sarkodie social media platforms are. We're posting a promo video for Rapperholic 2026 eba so October 24th ewo Kumasi Sports Stadium, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Ushe promo a Sarkodie diaba for Rapperholic 2026 na ebeba so Baba Yara Sports Stadium 24th of October 2026 e can't seem be brave. Promo no ushe video na omu yusu pop culture referencing. Omo pike a scene from Beast of No Nation. Now what share how creative the team etna say any transition. Me, I'm coming from a cinematography background, so I know these things. What share cut from the scene of Beast No Nation to sa jump cutter a course Sarkodie na say ansana a background na jumpy to a close-up shot. My dear, near video no air kanyina na say near that 1 minute promo video no air kanyina ne say music business no is for creatives. Music business and you for a mother da and you for a ma o depressed and you for sabi a ma omadru omomonoposa omo hushishi oma omutewa na say omo meka obi greatness omo me look it down on other musicians omo hunto omo opa koshe how creative the promo video is. Hey, promo video we ya Sarkodie diaba no wan kasa biem kra Kumasi Sports Stadium, Baba Yara Sports Stadium, a hobe bomber 360. I'm telling you, because promo no will BB, promo no it will BB. Ubebu sound say a den kra no more. Etimi a reference say Beast of No Nation scene. Parts no mucha no Idris Eba no kase. Wow, the energy, the jump cut, baby, a course Sarkodie na say, Osha color grading no muye na black and white. Everything is seamless. It's creatively seamless. It's so beautiful. It has an energy beer. Ushe promo na. You be never catch us a Koto Rapperholic 2026. Take it. Missy promo way. Obede air catch in I say. It's about time we give chance to the young creatives. And kasa Sarkodie yobia sebi also saw omanya depression swa. Enka beautiful promo ya ene yehui enka nya ade ebehu because enka be na before to the extent so no so kwa akopɛ sabi e ma da da bi ne ma bi a sabi monopause o madwo monopause mo hihye mo so mo so mra no mo attack amanfo o mo so me but obede ehu say agro na o mu di no eye for creatives. Enu nti no se sa adoma chede no nyankopon anumu bia like onya ho time team na omutena say edwene even the promo of Kumasi Rapperholic no I think say such creative teams no ana ye musicians ni hia enye sabi monopause for depression mada that way mo omo no they don't have anything to offer. They don't have anything to offer. Me say, uposo who sasema making ye no cra, cause Sarkodie social media pages. Mimi who made any free ni Instagram page. Unso betima kwa other platforms akoshe. Koshe kwanya. That creative team netina say utim so mo ye no mo ye young talents. And one thing I love about Sarkodie, who sa what talenta. Obe bi ne prama oni wa ye nyoma, oni wa ye adwuma. Eya. Asanteman obedesi nyankopon ya adoma 24th October. Osane the Rapperholic babiem. Mr. Mo this time munya ni 360. MIA. Yempe quarter 1/3 hwan bia munya ni 360 mayen. Din na asem bia mfa na asem nko. Ene camera no bia de betu bia Bonah. Tie. Tia. Asantema de minim so mote kasa. Yo. Asia. Obede papa nyame nhyira o ya de. What set example? What say sample you senior boy? No, what says agro no enye de ne kasa ne afuru behwe ne bibia o. Debi. A creative minds na ehia no mudi agro. Sa adoma chede no ni bia no aka no atom. Me se adwuma ne to no. Untimi nkasa o. Because a creative minds na atena no machia ano madwene bibia ye creative a ba wo sha wakoma beto yem me se obede promo na odi aba abonte no wo hwe ya na wo petekite kira kwan so sika nya ready amen ko hwe sa promo we because promo no wo hwe anya ade a wo betimi atena just auto ticket. Such creative minds no eno na ye hia e wo ye industry mu sa omo such minds no omo na osi ye obede team now no omo ye adwuma na ni die mu ma ye hu omo. I think say some start to showcase new talents no ne nyomo omo ya obede ebe kakra no sa sabi monopoles for ne afrubehwe for ne sankofon ni nyina no omo nu masem ne enya wait bia biem because adwuma na papa dia ba bonte no ehome the sound one money sardine is tony ice water no. Hey yo. Asia.
My father's car is stuck in the US, and my brother's package hasn't even left Maryland. I just need someone reliable to ship both.
Ama, relax. You don't need 10 different companies. Box Oak ships cars from any state. And they do door-to-door for packages too.
Wait, they do both? From any state?
For the car, it drives right onto the ship. No container needed at all. Or if you prefer, they seal it inside a container for you. Your packages are well packed and sent by sea or by air, whichever you need faster.
I just went to clear the car at the port. And also my package arrived here, right on my compound.
I told you, Box Oak delivers with no wahala.
Box Oak Logistics. Fast, affordable, trusted and reliable. Reach out to the numbers on your screen.